Hey, Denver Black with Soilcraft. I'm out here in the field today with Charles. We're pulling sap tests to do plant cytosol extract analysis on this young wheat crop, so we can ask the question, how is our crop program actually working? How is our NPKs, how are our trace elements, etc.? We're pulling a report card on how we're doing. So I want to take a moment to show you on this unseasonably windy day how we like to pull sap tests on wheat. So what we want to do is we want to get down and cut down at the crown of the plant, right at the surface of the soil. Cut these plants down here at the surface of the soil. And then when these plants are big enough, as these are, you can go just at the tops of the leaves here. So you'll find what we're looking for is those new leaves. And what we want to find, this is our newest leaf right here. But this is our new viable, and this is our old leaf. So we can see significant degrees of separation, meaning at height right there, if I'm holding just the tips, I'm gonna miss this leaf, okay? Now that's what we're shooting for. Meaning, if I take this pile of wheat and I go to the very tippy top, and it's gonna feel thin, and then I shake it, we're gonna get rid of the little stragglers. And look what else has happened. See how these leaves have come out. These are the old leaves. So this is an easy way for us to pull, faster way for us to pull sap. So I can go ahead and just reach in with my fingers and loosely pull, or even pull kind of on the outsides of these plants. And you see the old leaves come nice and easily like that. And you'll see the stragglers. You can reach around and pull the stragglers off like this. So they're your old leaves in this hand. So we can take those old leaves and put them in a bag. Then the new leaves, we want to make sure we keep that degree of separation. Make sure if there's any missing in there, we don't catch them. So then I'm going to come and grab just about a hand's breadth on top, put my knife behind and underneath, and then go ahead and liberate. And there are my new leaves. Just like that. Old leaves, new leaves. Hey, thanks for tuning in and watching our content. We really appreciate you and appreciate you watching our videos. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. Also, look down in the description down below for our website, link to our Regen Agronomy podcast, and our phone numbers and email, etc. Reach out to us, please, if you want to know more about the content you see here in the videos.